Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your that much of love and support.
Thank you.
So we are going to start a series which is simple but creative.
I got more ideas than Mary Poppins purse.
So we just need one sketchbook, color, water and tissue. So let's get started and see the result.
A few moments later.
Amazing!
This is final result guys. बहुत ही simple idea है but very creative. So if you like the idea, like the video, subscribe the channel.
Sarah pakara.
Bye bye. See you in next video. Thank you so much.